I think it's time for another vlog and to see what I'm doing today. I cut out the intro where I do all the stuff. Let me know what you guys think in the comments if you like that in the video or not. Just let me know. Let's get to the good stuff. First things first, gotta get my coffee. Um, and then I spend some time reading. I'm currently reading this Redox Madness. You can see how information packed it is by all the sticky notes I put in. I'm kind of an influencer, so I of course post on Instagram and TikTok. Morning motivation at 8. Find the motivation. Yeah, that one, okay. And then at noon, I do a half fact of the day. I have to get all that get my hand, and it's that time again. My favorite time of day with your favorite person. Have fact of the day with me, the mighty miracle man. Then around 3 or 4, I do disability rights. Like, I'm disabled, sure, but that doesn't give you the right to judge me or look down on me. I'm a person too. Meals are spread out in there. And of course, gotta eat my salary for lunch too. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your ears. To the gym, or I mean my garage. This is my gym. You don't need much room. You just need to be able to move a little. I have my dumbbell set up and a bench here. Let's do this. And then I shower after my workout. More coffee. Love my coffee. And then I network for a while. Who am I gonna text today? Everyone. I'm kind of an influencer, so I of course post on Instagram and TikTok. Morning motivation at 8. Find a motivational picture. Yeah, that one. Okay. And then at noon, I do a half fact of the day. I have to get all that up. And it's that time again. My favorite time of day with your favorite person. Have fact of the day with me, the mighty miracle man. And then around 3 or 4, I do disability rights. Like, I'm disabled, sure, but that doesn't give you the right to judge me or look down on me. I'm a person too. Meals are spread out in there. And of course, gotta eat my salary for lunch too. And finally, I went down with some reading on TV or something. I usually don't watch a lot of TV though because I hate sitting after being in a wheelchair for 40 plus years. At least part of the time, I get super stiff and live longer, feel better, and add life to your ears.